Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be trying out the Luminous, the secret to flawless looking skin 12-wear long foundation from Scarlet Hill Miss Surprise. So yeah, we're gonna be trying it out. Hopefully it's gonna give us 12 hours of perfection. So the foundation retails for $7,999, which is very affordable for girls like me who do not like spending, because I have a lot of actually do own a lot of makeup, and I don't like expensive makeup because I like buying everything. So if you want something affordable and cheap, I guess try Scarlet Hill. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I did pick up 2 different shades because I wasn't sure which shade. These are actually the darkest shades that they have, so I wasn't really sure which one to pick up, so I took both of them. So we're going to be trying either of these or both just to see which one matches my skin the best. So the darkest of the 2 is called Mahagony. Oh, you guys can see. Yes, Mahagony, and the lighter one is called Caramel. So yeah, let's try them on, guys. Okay, let's see. So I'm trying Caramel, and I do have my beauty blender and my damp beauty blender, and yeah, I do like how it looks, guys. The packaging is really cute, and it's a pump, which is great. Oops. Whoops. Okay. Highball. Okay, guys, I don't know what's going on. Okay, yo. All right, so I'm going to be pumping it at the back of my hand, and yeah, let's see. Ooh, yeah, it's looking a bit too light. It's looking a bit too light. I don't know. Let's see. This is not my color. This is like almost a concealer for me. So Caramel is not really for me, guys. I don't know. I'm not sure if I should stop or just continue. But yeah, Caramel is not for me. It does have. Okay, it's not bad. Not bad, guys. Not bad. So one thing that I'll say is I don't really like the coverage. I don't really think it covers anything. For one, I think it's almost similar to those foundations that are in these days that are called, they call them tint, something like, yeah, they just tint something, but they're more lotion than foundation. So that's the vibe that I'm getting. There is no coverage at all, but let's not judge early. Let's try and apply the darkest foundation too, which is the darkest foundation of the 2, which is Mahogany, and see, maybe it's a matching thing. Maybe it doesn't match my skin, that's why it's, you know, applying that way. So let's try the darker one, which is Mahogany, and see the results. Okay, so this is hey maybe it's gentle. Whew. No, let's try Unjalo, guys. Let's just try using from yeah, so this is the darker color, which is Mahogany. I like that Mahogany. Let's try Mahogany and see how it will apply. Okay, this one seems like is better. This one seems a bit better than the first one. because I don't know. These are just tinting foundations, honestly. Let me just read the packaging and see what it says. It says a luxurious silky foundation that gives medium to full coverage for a luminous, glowy skin finish that lasts up to 12 hours. It's easy to blend and feels lightweight on the skin. How do I use it? Using a foundation brush or sponge, blend the formula onto the forehead, nose, cheeks, chin, jawline, and upper neck. For long-lasting makeup, apply a primer before applying foundation. Yeah, it seems like it's just a silky foundation that gives medium to full coverage. So yeah, this is definitely medium coverage. I don't know if we can build, so let's try to build it up and see if it's possible to get that full, not full, but almost full coverage, because it's giving the vibes of a tint. So yeah, let me try again. Let's try again. I also picked up a banana baking powder from Scarlet Hill, so we're going to be trying that as well. But the main culprit of the day today is the foundation. But yeah, we're going to be eating on some banana powder just to, I guess, bake the makeup. One thing that I'll say, it does feel very light on the skin. It's very creamy, but on the skin, it's very, very light, which is great. Okay, I'm seeing a bit of some coverage, guys. I think if you really want to cover some blemishes, you need to pack it up because it's a very light foundation. Yeah, I think another thing I'm used to what you call foundations that dry matte. So, but I do recommend the BB creams from Mr. Price. I do love the BB creams. I've tried them once and yeah, they do work for me. Yeah, I just got them once and a pair, so I never really got a chance to go back and get them, but yeah. So this is what we have. It's very creamy, light coverage. I mean, I didn't want to do a lot of layers because yeah, it's unnecessary. As long as you don't have a lot of blemishes, you can just do 2 to 3 layers, and this is what you get. I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks like skin. Okay, so I'm going to be using the lighter shade as my concealer, and then I'm going to come back and try the banana powder with you guys. Okay guys, let's try the banana baking powder. Yeah, let's try it out and see. It's in the color medium, by the way. All right. I'll also put it on my hand. It's easier for me that way. All right, so it's okay. Let me read for you guys. Let me read the packaging. It says matte finish, sheer coverage for all skin types. How do I use it? Sweep over face to set makeup or apply a generous layer of powder under the eyes, so you can set and also bake with this powder, which is great. It says when you're baking, apply a generous layer of powder under the eyes. So we're going to be applying a generous layer under the eyes so that we test or we see if we put a lot, what happens. Does it crack? Does it clump? Does it do what? So let's risk it all. Let's do this, guys. This is not bad. This is not bad. Okay. I love the ooh, ooh, ooh. I, I love the setting powder. I mean the baking slash setting powder. I love already. I love. So I'm going to set every area where I applied the concealer slash foundation. Yeah. Not bad, guys. The texture is very like normal. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I mean, not cheap. That's so rude. Okay, it's very affordable. It retails for 69 rands, which is very good. And honestly, I'm a setting powder. A setting powder is a setting powder to me. So I would buy this again, definitely. Yeah, let me give it a few minutes and then I'll come back and show you guys the results. It's been a few minutes and yeah, this is the final look, guys. I didn't want to do a full face of makeup because I just wanted this video to be about the foundation, the Luminous foundation from Mr. Price. But yeah, what can I say? My closing remark. I don't know, guys. Maybe if you're a girl who doesn't really like that much of makeup, maybe you want like a no makeup look, this would be for you. But I personally don't think that I would purchase. I don't know. I'm cringing. Okay, I don't think that I would purchase this foundation ever again. I'm gonna say ever again. I don't think this foundation is for me. I would recommend instead the BB creams. I'm not sure if they still sell the BB creams, but I do recommend the BB creams that they have versus these ones, the Luminous ones. Yeah, they're just not for me. I think, but they're not that bad, guys. They're not that bad. Yeah, especially for the price, they're not that bad. So if you're looking for a very affordable foundation, yeah, this one is the right one for you. It doesn't dry matte. This is a silky, I guess creamy foundation. Very minimal coverage. So like I said, if you don't have a lot of blemishes and you have semi clear skin, you can use this foundation. But yeah, it's just not for me. It's just not for me. Yeah, it does have a bit of a smell, like that chipping and a smell, but it's not bad. It's nothing that bothers me. It's just how it applies on my skin. And then as for the powder, the powder is okay. For the price, it's okay. It's okay. For the price, it's okay. I'm not complaining too much. Yeah, the powder is not that bad. The powder is not that bad, guys. Yeah, but yeah, I'll say it again. The foundations, they're not for me. They are not for me. But I'm not saying I'll throw them away. I'm going to definitely use them on a day where I feel like I don't want to do anything on my face. I just want to, you know, throw a little foundation and tint my skin. Then I would definitely recommend this foundation. This would be a once in a while, once in J&J level, something that I would just throw on my face on a day, on a lazy day when I don't feel like doing anything. But yeah, definitely this is not for me. But if you like how it covered my skin or how it looks on my skin, please go ahead and buy it. I'm not recommending it. I'm just saying for me, it's not. But if you're a girl who likes Njini and I just a touch of your body tint on your face, then I definitely recommend this for you. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you on my next video.